Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Come on in because I'm going to share another recipe with y'all for one of the most popular, most asked for recipes out there, and that's macaroni and cheese. And I've got several different kinds of macaroni and cheese recipes. Well, this is a stovetop macaroni and cheese, and it's the name of it is Creamiest mac and cheese. So we started by cooking 2 cups of pasta, elbow macaroni, and we should have ended up with 4 cups of cooked macaroni. So I'm going to kind of just measure this to make sure I'm telling y'all right. So there we go. It actually had a little bit more than rendered 4 cups, but easy. Now we're gonna add our cheese. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of cheese, and we're gonna stir that in, and it calls for 2, 4, 6, 8 slices of American cheese. And at our house, I've got 2 grandchildren that call this yucky cheese because their mama said, I would really rather you not eat that kind of cheese. So she told me it was yucky cheese. But we think it's pretty dadgum good. So I'm gonna put a little bit of ground mustard, a little bit of pepper, not too much, and a little bit of salt. And now we're gonna come back over here to the stove. Eddie just said this looks like college mac and cheese. And it very well could be, Eddie. It very well could be. You know, Southern macaroni and cheese, you know, we bake it. We put eggs in it, so we bake it in the oven. It's like a custardy mac and cheese. But some people like it real, just like creamy-like. So you want to do this while your noodles are still hot, because we are going to be putting raw eggs in here, and we want to make sure that our eggs get cooked. So I've got my eye on medium. Got my eye on medium, and we're gonna cook it for, and I've got like 1/4 of a stick of butter in there. So, like I said, we're just gonna cook that for a few minutes to make sure that the eggs get done in it. So apparently, Eddie, you made stovetop mac and cheese.
I used whatever cheese was in the refrigerator, which was probably yucky cheese when I was in college.
Well, that just tickled me so much when those kids started calling it yucky. Well, their mother, Michelle, got them to calling it yucky cheese. And when they come spend the night with us, what do you guys want for breakfast? A yucky cheese omelet. So that's become a running joke here in this house. Okay, this has been cooking about 3 minutes. You just want to make sure it cooks long enough for the eggs to get done in it. And it was really bubbling a second ago. So let's see if we can get one more good bubble, Eddie. Bubble, bubble, toil in trouble. Okay, there it is. See, it's bubbling. See the bubbles, Eddie?
Mm-hmm.
So that's been going on for about 3 minutes. So that should be done. Yeah, it's cooking good now. Okay. gonna bring it over here. Eddie, do we have some type of casserole dish with a cover that I can put this in?
Yeah, we have this great honeycomb one right here that we get at the
Oh.
Palladium Zone store.
Yes, that's a Paula Deen piece, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, look. I love this pattern. When did you get this out here?
Well, we had it as a giveaway.
Oh yeah, that's right, we did.
And I just never brought it back to the store.
Good. Because we always could use one of those. All right, so look at this. The name of this recipe is the Creamiest mac and cheese. So if this is the way you like your mac and cheese, this is a recipe for you. Get every bit of that goodie out of there. Look in that pot. Look how creamy that is, Eddie. Ooh.
It's very creamy.
Yes. And very hot. This doesn't remind me of the Lady and Sons mac and cheese because it's a different formula to get to the mac and cheese. But this is very, very good. And I know a lot of people do love their mac and cheese real creamy. And this is real creamy and real cheesy. You'll have to try it. It's a shortcut and a very good one. I've also got a recipe for mac and cheese in a slow cooker. And that's good too. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.